Today I want to talk about my favorite thing in the world, garage doors. The garage door is 40% of your home's curb appeal. And also it's the only thing that gives you darn near 100% return on investment. And listen, we wanted to give you some things to look for before choosing a garage door company. So let me get started here with a few things you want to watch out for.
First, you want to make sure that the company is legitimate. Find out how long they've been in business. Do they have a physical office? How about a website? Unfortunately, there are a lot of scams run in home service businesses, so do your best to protect yourself. The cost of your project is going to depend on a number of factors, but a good company will work with you to provide multiple estimates to match your budget. Also, you should be able to pay how you want, so be sure to ask if they accept cash, checks, and credit cards. As an added bonus, some companies even offer financing options so you can pay over time with no or minimal interest. When you're making this big of an investment on your home, you want to make sure the work will be protected. Start by making sure the company you're considering is appropriately licensed, bonded, and insured. Then ask about the manufacturer's warranties as well as all the service warranties covering the company's work. Be sure to get specific information so you'll be covered if something happens in the future. Depending on your issue, urgency might be required, making availability an important consideration. How quickly can they make an appointment? Are they available on nights and weekends? Take these factors into account when choosing a company for your project. Hearing from previous customers helps you give a better idea of what to expect from the company. With review sites like Facebook, Google, and Yelp, as well as industry sites like the Better Business Bureau and Angie's List, you can learn a lot about a company online. Take advantage of these resources as you're doing your research. The way a company's employee present themselves says a lot. From your first call until the technician is in your garage, consider the attitude and demeanor of the people you talk to. Also take physical factors into consideration, such as the appearance of the company vehicle, the cleanliness of the technician, and their demeanor while helping you navigate your situation. This will be the best chance to get a first-hand evaluation of the companies you're considering.
Hey, I know that's a lot to consider, so let me make it easy for you. Download our easy garage company scorecard today, and you'll be 2 steps ahead when making a decision of what vendor to use for your garage door. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon.